too many of you guys listening right now think because it's popular for a lot of these gurus to talk about the cell phone in your hand that you could just click like and communicate and do this and that with all these people and develop these opportunities, which you can do. But in the beginning of the process, you've got to put yourself in motion. You can't sit in your mom's fucking basement and type fucking statuses out all day. You have to get out in the real world and do something. You have to create things. You have to build things. You have to do for opportunity to come to you. And that means doing before you see the opportunity. Because far too many of you guys listening wait around for this opportunity to fall in your fucking lap, and you want to think that, oh, well, when this opportunity opens up for me, I'll fucking start. No, you start way before the opportunity ever presents itself. And the way opportunities present themselves is by you going through the fucking motions of creating in your life. You're not gonna wait around, you're not gonna sit on your ass. It's gonna happen from you shaking hands, making phone calls, sending emails, creating, doing, contributing value. That's it. And you have to take the initiative. You have to do the work. You have to do the that is going to shape your journey to a point where other people take notice. Then things start going your way. Then opportunities start happening. Don't sit around and wait for things to happen. You gotta do before opportunity comes to you. It's opportunity through motion. Don't fucking forget it.
Check yourself. Evaluate yourself honestly. Are you doing what you can do to be better? Are you every day doing everything you can to live the most eminently worthy life you can live? And when you realize that you fall short, that we all fall short, then get yourself on the path to correct those shortfalls by going out there and getting after it.